The cervical spine is constantly subjected to shear and compression forces. In some cases, these forces cause the intervertebral disc between C5 and C6 to bulge. This bulging disc creates a zone of pressure that compresses the nearby nerve root, leading to inflammation and radiating pain, radiculopathy. Through spinal decompression, the pressure on the nerve is relieved as the disc material retreats or stabilizes. This reduction in mechanical stress diminishes inflammation, allowing the nerve to function properly again.